Hey guys, this is Tony. I'm just minding getting back here for the call train. Before I get into this train, first of all, I want to apologize about the last video while I was filming the Northbound due to some retro activity while watching the train go that train go by. Yeah, might have heard a little bit of drama there in that last video there, so I want to apologize about that. I promise that won't happen again, but anywho, here comes the small northbound hopper car train. I believe that's gonna be coming by right now. Here he comes. Yeah, 56. There we go. There goes the Northbound Union Pacific hopper car train. The tracks are completely dead, and I'll talk to you guys later on, and I'll be back here tomorrow. Bye bye.